Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you through the steps to install Grammarly in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is to visit the Grammarly website. Now we have to create or log into your Grammarly account. So for this we are going to create login into my account. I'm going to use my Google one. And now that we have finished, I'm going to select a few things. For example, I'm going to put that this is for school. Now, I'm going to skip personalization. Now we are going to continue with the free plan. Now we have this new window that has popped up, right? So right here, we are going to press on Get Grammarly for Windows only, because right now I'm not using Google Chrome. And now it's going to start downloading. We are going to open the X file. As you can see, Grammarly is finally installed. So now again we are going to sign in into an existing account. In this case, it takes me to Google Chrome, so I'm going to use my Google. We are going to allow Google Chrome to open Grammarly. Now as you can see, it is going to say that Grammarly is up and running. So what we are going to do is to go to our Word app, and I'm going to open a random document. In this case, I'm going to use this one. And right here, as you can see, I have this new icon that have pop up, right? So here we can select some better ideas. For example, I'm going to use with this part. I'm going to select this section, and now I'm going to press on this icon. I'm going to put on make it sound academic. And now, as you can see, I have a complete new text. So, this is very effective for your task, for your homework, or for any document that you want to correct. So this is all the tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below.
We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.